What's your workshop's name?
I don't know. How should we call it? Villa's woodworking shop.
Franco's Woodworking?
How it would be Dida's.
Dida's Woodworking?
Yeah, because you know what Dida is.
Grandpa?
Yes, yes. But don't call it Grandpa, because grandkids call me Dida.
What we have here is last time you saw, Mia and I were putting the bed together. Now we went and got the raw BedWood, I guess, uncut oak. So we're going to, I'm with, this is her dad. Say hello.
Hello.
And we're going to be making the wood ourselves. Mainly him, of course. But that's what we're doing today. And it is April, what? What is it, 10th? Or 11th?
10th.
April 11th, 10th?
11th.
And it snowed. Random rogue snowfall. So the board lengths on, the overall board length for the truck, 72 fleet side, are 77 1/8. So that's the first cut that he did right there.
Sometimes I think it might be better to have that ball in the middle, because if it's on the end, it's harder to force it than on the end. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that makes sense.
I don't know why this one has bow, but many of them would have bow where they.
Is there ways to fix a bow?
There is, but it's very hard. There's a machine called planer, and you can remove that. But it has to be a long one. I honestly I wouldn't be able to do that, so that's why.
I mean, you can't like bend it back somehow.
Yeah, but it's really not that I know any technique, but it's made because of whatever is natural in that wood. So
Yeah.
these are nice boards too. So we're just going to put these boards to the table saw to make one flat edge, one straight edge on all of them. So if any of them is crooked, we'll make it straight with this little jig. So this little jig allow us to put board on. We have flat edge here, we'll run it with our fence. This board will have then one straight edge, and after that we will do the other one to the full width using that straight edge, so board will be parallel and straight. So now we're going to cut our slots for the rails. So this is the profile that we have to go.
Okay.
So we set our aero blades, set them to proper width and height. We're going to do all boards first, and then we'll do the other setup. Okay.
So we're cutting the shoulder into them, right?
Correct. So let's become safe.
Looks a little wavy right there.
Yeah, I have to run it again. I didn't maintain full depth, and it's a little bit shallow, James. We have to lift our. Okay, so we'll have to correct that.
So we did the cut. What's this length here to here? 5/8?
5/8, yes.
So here to here, 5/8, and then what's the shoulder? Yeah. Well, I'll have the numbers inside something.
So shoulder is 7/16, and then deeper one is 3/16 wide and 1/4 inch. Deep.
1/4 inch deep, but we kind of adjusted them a little bit, right?
Yes.
A little less shallow.
To make it fit better with the plate.
But they came out nice. They look just like you'd buy them from the store.
Actually, it's better this way. Do we want to change anything?
So now we're just cutting the boards to the final length, which is 77 1/8. What's up, guys? So instead of having the video end a little abruptly right there and having just kind of text or whatever voice audio, I wanted to record it like this instead. So basically, that's the end of the video. It's been a while since I've gotten to it, but basically, it took a little bit to get the wood stained. Her dad was just busy, and then we got it assembled finally, and the BedWood is in the truck. The bed is on the truck. And eventually I'll create another video kind of showing you guys what has been done lately, just a lot of little things. So not a whole lot has changed recently since basically kind of the end of this video, but just want to have this as the ending versus again just kind of just. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.